So in order to let students join your classroom, one of the ways is to share the classroom code with them so that they can use the classroom code and join your particular class. And to get the classroom code, you can go around onto your particular classrooms right here, and you can see the classroom code right here. If I were to go around and click on display, then you can see that this is what you have right here. You get the entire classroom code right here, just like this. And then if I were to go around and click right here, it becomes full screen, as you can see. So if you're opening up Google Classroom in a projector and want to share out your classroom code with students, then this is what you can do right here. So if I were to go to another classroom, then you can see the classroom code over here as well. You can go around and expand this, and this is what you see. What you can also do is, let's say for example, what you want to change around the classroom code because it is becoming more public than you want to. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go around and click around the three dot button right here and then reset out the class code right here, just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the classroom code gets reset right here. So if you want an easier class code to remember, you can reset it out until you get the one you want as well, just like this. So you can go around and reset out the classroom code according to how you want right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and get and reset out classroom codes inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.